Crafting compelling insurance narratives is crucial for dental professionals to obtain treatment approvals and reimbursements. Such denials not only hinder patient care, but also lead to significant financial losses for the dental office. This underlines the essential role these narratives have in ensuring reimbursements and preventing financial setbacks for dentists. By utilizing KRISS AI, dentists can recoup the revenue they deserve. KRISS AI simplifies the insurance appeal process and generates well-worded appeals in seconds. Office staff can even generate appeals with limited writing skills. With KRISS AI, dentists maximize reimbursements and minimize time wasted writing narratives and insurance appeals. Visit www.kriss.ai to install KRISS AI in your practice.